Construction Products Directive. Background: the construction sector has one of the most significant economic activities of the EU. Prior to the CPD inception, there were differing standards and technical approvals among EU member states. The importance of the CPD was to remove the technical barriers to trade, market barriers, and market entry strategy for the EU construction industry. 500 product standards and 200 testing standards are planned in the context of the CPD. The objective of the CPD and the CPR alike is not to define the safety of construction products, but to ensure that reliable information is presented in relation to their performance. This is achieved by providing, mainly in standards, a common technical language to be used not only by manufacturers, but also by public authorities when defining their requirements on construction works, directly or indirectly influencing the demands placed on the products to be used in them. Construction products. A construction product means any product which is produced for incorporation in a permanent manner in construction works, including both buildings and civil engineering works, such as buildings, bridges, highways, and other civil engineering projects. Harmonized technical specifications. The Construction Products Directive recognizes the following types of harmonized technical specifications: harmonized European standards, European technical approvals, European technical approvals without guidelines. So far 552 standards have been harmonized. CE marking of construction products. CE marking of construction products was introduced in the CPD in 1989. CE marking is a declaration by the manufacturer that the product meets certain public safety requirements. The public safety requirements are a set of essential characteristics that each product must satisfy, and these characteristics are given in the product's harmonized standard. There are 6 essential requirements which need to be addressed by committee and satisfied, when relevant, by the product prior to being put on the market: mechanical resistance and stability, safety in the case of fire, hygiene, health and the environment, safety in use, protection against noise, energy economy and heat retention. CE marking is obligatory for every product placed on the EA European Economical Area or the European Union plus Norway, Iceland and Liechtenstein market, as soon as all conditions are fulfilled to enable this.